So it's coming?
Yeah, but it's got a long way to go.
I wonder why it goes down so early.
I don't know. They'll probably go back up.
Huh?
They may go back up.
Oh.
Sometimes it does that when there's like fucked up weather or whatever.
I agree.
Like they don't know what they want to do. You know?
Yeah. Oh, he's coming.
Yeah, I see him.
Huh?
I see him. It's just a ways back.
Is he moving fast or slow?
He's going slow. This truck's more than welcome to go around me if they don't want to wait. I said that truck's more than welcome to go around me if they don't want to wait.
You might pull up.
You go around. I waved him around.
Was he mad? Or?
No, I could see he wanted to go around, but I wasn't going to. We're waiting for the train, so I told him to go around me.
Yeah, he's getting closer.
Yep.
Here comes. Looks like an AC unit.
Maybe.
I'd be stopping. I think you just hit the horn.
No.
The white cab. I think it's old engine. Boxcars. Pretty long. Like your truck frames or something. Yep. I haven't seen it done yet. 1 minute. saw a post on Facebook saying they're going to drop the bus frames off the plane. Well, not this one, I mean all the planes when they have truck frames to go west.
Yep.
Top. It's a long one. Speed up. Usually southbound to my spot, they always start to speed up when they get out of the yard.
Yeah.
You got TDN way back there. Coming up. Yep, way down there, man. Spike road. Seven minutes.